Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 1-1. The diagram shows the graphs of g of x is equal to ax squared plus q. This is g of x. And f of x is equal to mx plus c. This is f of x, the linear function. R, we have r, and s are the x-intercepts of g, and t is the y-intercept of g. Graph f passes through r and t, so we're asked to write down the range for g. Right, g is the graph, the parabolic function or the quadratic function, which is concave down, and t is the maximum point for g of x, meaning that 8 is the maximum value. 8 is the maximum value for g. We cannot have a y value which is above 8, meaning that 8 is the maximum, so y value can be 8 or less. The range will be from negative infinity up to 8. Remember, this side is positive infinity. We cannot have a y value which is above 8, so it's 8 or less. So the range for g of x is y less than or equal to 8. It can be 8 or less. Or you can write it like this: y is an element of negative infinity to 8. Then use the square bracket to show that 8 is included. So you can write it like this or like this.